Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video, I will show you a game between Franklin Knowles Young and Dore. This extremely beautiful chess game was played in Boston, United States, in 1892. Franklin Knowles Young had white pieces and he started with e4. Dore played e5, d4, e takes on d4, c3, d takes on c3, Danish Gambit, bishop to c4, black to move, a knight to f6 was played. Sometimes black plays c takes on b2, but this is a game for another time. Knight to f6, attacking the pawn on e4. I guess knight takes pawn on c3 comes to mind, do you agree? There was a surprise. Knight f3. Did white allow black to capture the pawn? Maybe he even didn't see it. What do you think? Play with the white pieces, castle kingside. Knight to d6, attacking the bishop. What is the best square for the bishop? What would you do? Maybe bishop to b3 is not a bad move. Maybe bishop to d3. How would you continue? Franklin Knowles Young played knight takes on c3. Did he blunder? Play with the black pieces happily. Collected the bishop. Black is much better materially. A piece and two pawns. Rook to e1 check. Bishop to e7. Knight to d5, threatening to capture the bishop. Defending the bishop. Bishop to g5. f6. Rook to c1, attacking the knight. b5. It looks like that black is holding. How should white continue? Maybe bishop to f4. Looks like a sensible move. There was another surprise. Rook takes on c4. The exchange sacrifice. Pawn takes rook. White to move. There was another surprise. So in this game we have a surprise after surprise after surprise. Two surprises at least. Knight to e5 was played. F takes on g5. If knight takes on e5, one line goes like this. Rook takes on e5, f takes on e5, bishop takes on e7. Well, player with the black pieces didn't like this variation, so he captured the bishop on g5. Queen to h5 check, g6. White to move, and it appears that white can't make any progress. Maybe. How would you make the progress if you had white pieces? Please pause and find the best move for white. Did you pause? What did you find? Did you find this beautiful queen sacrifice? I mean, knight sacrifice. Knight to f6 check. Bishop takes on f6. If king goes to f8, then queen to h6 checkmate. So bishop must take, but now there was a discovered check. Knight takes on j6. Queen to e7. If bishop goes to e7, then knight to e5 check, and after king to f8, queen to f7 checkmate. Back to our game. Queen to e7. Rook takes queen check. Bishop takes on e7. If knight takes on e7, then knight takes rook check, and after knight to g6, knight takes on g6, pawn takes knight, queen takes on g6 check, king to e7, queen to e4, forking the king and the rook, and after king to d8, queen takes rook. Back to our game. Bishop takes rook on e7. Knight to e5, discovered check. King to d8. If king goes to f8, then white simply delivers checkmate. So we have king to d8, knight to f7 check, king to e8, knight to d6 double check, king to d8, white to move. How would you continue now? Everybody should know this pattern. The move is Queen to e8 check, Rook takes Queen, and now White plays the obvious. And the obvious is Knight to f7. Smothered. Checkmate. Wow. I am lost for words. How would you describe this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.